Hey guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally wrapping up the Sunroom makeover, which has been one of those projects that has just felt like it's missing something. I've absolutely loved the look since we added the benches and changed up the space, but I just feel like there's still something missing. So we're going to be adding in smart shades today to give this space a really clean, cozy, and welcoming vibe and make it so much more usable. This room, I love it. It's one of my favorite spaces in the house, but it's also been the hardest to actually use every day. The light in here is gorgeous, but it's so strong. Like, it's the kind of strong where I'll sit down to have my coffee and immediately rethink my choices. And this is the version of the room I always pictured. Still bright and open and airy, just softer and calmer and way more comfortable. It finally feels like the space that I wanted from the beginning. It's still the sunniest spot in the house, but now it's actually somewhere I can be. So in planning the last steps of the Sunroom's makeover, I went through so many different options before landing on these smart shades. Curtains just felt too heavy, which is why I've had, these sheer ones in here, which really don't do much as far as like making the space more comfortable. They're really just kind of for looks. Blinds were just too busy and they really kind of took away from the look of the space and the beautiful windows that we have. Just nothing really fit the vibe that I wanted for this space. I really wanted it to be clean, simple, and natural and really stick with the look that I pictured and developed in building out these benches and redoing the space. I didn't want anything that was going to distract from the room. I just wanted something that made it easier to sit in here without melting, made it more comfortable for me and for Nala, and just added to the overall aesthetic. So today I'm going to be adding in Yoolax dual roller shades. These smart shades checked all the boxes for what I was looking for in this space while still adding to like the overall vibe of our home and really sticking with kind of the decor that I like to have in our home. I'm going to be putting the shades up in the color linen, and the linen shade is just so soft and dreamy, and the dual roller shade means that I can switch between glowy light and full blackout depending on the time of day or year, and it also means that I'll have a lot more privacy in this space, which is amazing because the street is right outside of our house, and so people can look in as they're walking by, which obviously makes it a lot less comfortable to be just kind of hanging out in here. I really love the seamless look of these shades and how they fit into any style or decor. The cassette that holds the shades is super cohesive and it doesn't call attention to itself, which I love. Both rollers come pre-installed, so you're not assembling some complicated contraption. It's all ready to go. The blackout fabric is nice and thick, and the 50% light filtering one gives the prettiest soft light. It creates such a beautiful glow, and I love the way the window outlines shine through at sunset. Along with the shade, you'll receive all the cables you'll need for installation. You can choose between the 16-channel remote or the light whirl remote. You'll also get a set of brackets to mount the shade on, and you can choose to have a Zigbee hub which connects your shades to the app or voice assistant. I've installed so many blinds and curtains throughout all my DIYs, and it's usually a bit of a lengthy process, so I was preparing myself for this to turn into a full afternoon event, but the install was really straightforward. I measured where I wanted the brackets, screwed them in, which you know how I feel about these walls, they're always so difficult and crumbly, and then I could just pop everything into place and the shades are basically good to go.
Exactly what I'm looking for. And as we grow, I'll keep running till I can no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath.
The solar panel was so easy to install. It literally sticks to the window and just does all the work for you. Plus, I always struggle to find an outlet in our home since they're pretty limited with it being an older house, so this makes it a lot easier for me. So the whole process was pretty relaxed. It didn't take long at all, and the result is so impactful on your space. So this is the light filtering one. This is my morning and evening shade. It keeps the room bright but still soft. I can drink coffee in here without roasting from the sun. It's turned into a space that we can use for so many things. We're able to relax, have breakfast in here, spend time reading. I use it to edit or do work, and Nala absolutely loves it in here. And it's become my very own little reading nook.
You'll always be my heart and my life. Every second, every day.
The remote makes it so easy to adjust the shades based on the time of day, if it's sunny or hot out, or if I just want some privacy. It's such a small thing, but it makes the room feel finished. And I love that you have options in how you control and customize the shades. You can use the remote, voice control. Alexa, sunroom front open. There's an option for everyone, which makes it super easy to fit the shades into your routine or even adjust them when you're away from the house. The Yoolax home app is super convenient and lets you control your shades no matter where you are. You can control the shades individually or create a group. All you have to do is swipe up or down on the shade image in the app to adjust your shades to the position you prefer. You can also create easy tap-to-run routines for quick adjustments to your shades or automated routines for certain times of the day. It makes everything really streamlined and helps the shades to fit perfectly into your daily routine so that it's one less thing that you have to think about. Alexa, sunroom front open. Alright guys, well that wraps up this week's video. I'm so happy with how the update to the room turned out and the addition of the Yoolax smart shades. They are so gorgeous and they've made this room so much more usable and cozy and really just one of my favorite rooms in the house to spend time in. So if you have a room in your house that is super bright or gets really hot, or if you just want some window treatments that are simple and modern and have that really clean, sleek look without being too high maintenance, then I would definitely check out the Yoolax Smart Shades. They're really such a great addition to any home and they fit every decor style because of their really clean, simple look. And they just make your life a lot easier by having the convenience of being able to use smart shades, manage them through the remotes, the app, voice control. You have a lot of options in being able to make sure that your home is exactly how you want it to be. So I will make sure to link all of their information in the description box for you guys if if you're interested in checking them out. And I will also put our discount code on the screen for you so that you can save a little bit of money on your order. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so that YouTube will show you more of my content. I have new videos every Sunday. Thank you guys for spending the day with me, making over our sunroom and adding those beautiful finishing touches to the space. I'll see you on Sunday.